Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Form 1099 NEC setup in QuickBooks Online. Step to enable Form 1099 NEC setup in QuickBooks Online, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. On the left sidebar, select the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the settings menu, click on Taxes. Next, on the Taxes page, locate and select 1099s. You will see a prompt to get started with 1099s. Click on Get Started. Now, you will be taken to the 1099 setup screen. Identify and select the Continue button to start the process. In the next step, QuickBooks will ask you to ensure your vendor lists are up to date. Review your vendor list and make necessary updates or adjustments. Once your vendor list is ready, scroll down to find the Form Type section. Select Form 1099 NEC from the options available. Then click on Next to proceed. QuickBooks will prompt you to define the criteria for which vendors will receive a 1099 NEC. Select the vendors appropriate for issuing 1099 NEC forms. Once you have made your selections, click the Next button again. The next screen will prompt you to confirm your company information. Verify that your tax identification numbers and other details are correct. After confirming your company information, click on Next. QuickBooks will now guide you to enter additional information if necessary. Follow the prompts to add any missing information for your selected vendors. Continue clicking through until you reach the summary page. Review all the information before finalizing your setup. Finally, click on Finish to complete the 1099 NEC setup process. Now your QuickBooks Online is ready to file the 1099 NEC forms when tax season arrives. You can return to the 1099s page at any time to review or edit your setup as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.